here just goes straight up and down.
Коротше,
That's what's actually going to give us that nice.
це, коротше, перша машинка, яка відпринтувала дуже багато Біблій. Ой, тут стільки багато нюансів. Це, коротше, 5 годин. От дивіться, зараз вона покаже, коротше, як воно робилося. Це 5 годин, щоб тільки це все встановити. Вона розказала весь процес. Це вже так чернило. Оце, коротше, бумага. Зараз ви побачите, як принтувалось. Це воно так мало, бачите? От. А от тепер треба прес. Отак, поняла? Зажав, а чернило теж дуже спеціально вона розказувала. Тому що просто таке я не... Все, бачите? От тобі все. Вау. That's very nice. Nicely done.
So now I just have to keep doing that over and over and over again.
Це, 5 годин, щоб
And
тільки
while I'm
встановити
printing this
одну
page, someone else
сторінку.
can start
Я
setting
прийшла
up
так
a
трошки
new
на
page of type
початок.
for me to come in and print tomorrow. Right, so we've got this whole assembly line going. We know that it still took Gutenberg a while to print the Bible. He started in 1452. We spent about 3 years printing.
1452, 3 роки взяв, він почав 3 роки, коротше, принтував.
180 copies printed.
180 тільки копій.
You can only really handwrite one copy in that same amount of time.
Може і руками, ну, коротше, написати.
Yeah.
Да, коротше.
So, if anyone has any questions, please let me know. I could talk about Gutenberg all day. It's kind of my job. But if not, thanks for spending a little time with me and enjoy the rest of your day here at the museum.
How long to build this?
To build, so Gutenberg, he started preparing to print, experimenting with things sometime in either the late 1430s or the early 1440s. So he probably spent about 10 years planning and executing everything that he would need to actually start printing the Bible. Because he had to print enough, or he had to produce enough pieces of type to be able to print. Estimates are that he would
Can you
have
show
had,
that closer?
So these are the pieces that we're printing
Letters,
off of.
letters, yeah.
And you need somewhere
Це
around
скільки треба їх встановити через те?
2,500 of these pieces.
Oh,
to make one
200,
page.
5,000. Ой-ой-ой.
Gutenberg would have had multiple presses going in his workshop. So he's got lots and lots of pieces. There are some estimates that he would have had somewhere around 100,000 pieces of type.
Бачили,
So,
коротше,
not
штучки,
only
які
did he have
треба
to
зложити,
make all of
щоб,
them, he had
щоб
to
сторінку так
get enough
відпринтувати.
metal to make them all. He had to make enough molds to make them all, and he had to find someone to help him pay for all of those materials as well. So he probably spent somewhere around 10 years setting up the workshop, experimenting with his methods, before he actually felt comfortable enough to start printing the Bible.
How many Bibles did he print?
180.
The first Bibles that was printed, correct?
Yes, this is the
Самі
first
перші.
printed Bible made in Europe.
He is the German guy.
He was German, yes, and he's printing the Bible in Latin. This is before there was a
На
Latin
латинському
translation.
язиці тільки
Before there was
були,
a
коротше,
translation.
відпринтовані. Окей. Вау. So 5 hours just to set one
Just
page?
to set one page, yes.
Одна сторінка, 5 годин. Ой-ой-ой.
You can do it without mistakes, and you've been doing it for a while and you're really good. You might cut it down to like 3 hours.
Да, якщо ти без помилок дуже швидко вже наловчився, то може 3 години, але раніше не буде.
It's tedious, it's time consuming.
Wow. That's very good. And did they sell in Europe or they came to here?
So he was able to sell those 180 copies. A lot of them went to religious institutions. They're still very
Багато
expensive
продав.
Bibles.
And how much they cost in that time?
It would have been for the average man somewhere around 3 years' wages.
Щоб купити Біблію, це треба було 3 роки працювати в той час. What year?
So that's in the 1450s. Started printing in 1452.
1450 рік. Коротше, 3 роки, щоб отримали Біблію. And who made the original transcript for him?
So the Bible that he was printing is the Saint Jerome's translation. So that's a Latin Bible that had been used in Europe for 1,000 years at this point.
Коротше, Сент
Saint Jerome.
Сент Джером, коротше, студа, ця Біблія була взята як оригінальна. Вау. So that's more like Catholic, correct?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, this is still in the
Католики,
time
які
when the
вложили.
Catholic Church was in
Да.
control of
В
all
цей
Western
час, коли, коротше, католики повністю контролювали всю цю. Well, that's very interesting. Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're so welcome.